oldest Mormon temple in the world.
Take me away from the crying of a sinking nation, from the endless knowing situation here today. Take me away to another place of inspiration, where injustices of God's creation fade away.
I'm on Antelope Island, which is the largest island in Great Salt Lake. So apparently the campgrounds are open year-round, and it's only $5 more to camp than to actually visit. So instead of paying $10 just to visit, I paid $15 and I can camp. And apparently I'm the only one going to be camping on the island tonight, which is an excellent thing. So I can play my satellite music really loud and get drunk by the fire. And there's no fire bans right now. So there's a big herd of bison that I saw wandering around here, maybe 1,500 meters from here, and coyote. Of course, they're everywhere. So we'll see if any of them wander into my campsite a little later tonight. That'd be kind of fun. So I'll keep you posted. Apparently, though, the water level is quite low for the Great Salt Lake, and the entire causeway driving out to the island is dry. So apparently all the land predators can just walk up onto the island. They don't have... Of course, the lake is quite shallow anyway.
Take me away from the factory of soap obsession, where the habit adds to mass depression and decay. Take me away to be held in total isolation from the treacherous manipulation